In this video, you're going to learn how to get your courses set up for second semester. The first thing that you're going to do is choose one of your courses from second semester. Typically, you're going to find that on the bottom in your unpublished courses, although sometimes if you have a lot of TA courses and your course is named something that starts lower in the alphabet, you may need to go to Courses. So click on Courses. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you get to All Courses. Then scroll until you start to see your unpublished courses. From here, you will see what semester those courses take place in. I'm looking for some second semester courses. They'll say semester 2. So now I'm going to star only the courses I want to see, and I'm going to unstar everything that I don't want to see. And I notice I have a lot of teacher assistant courses that are starred. So I'm going to unstar all of those so I can just work with those 2 MVA courses. When you're done starring and unstarring, you can go back to your dashboard. And now you should see the courses that you need to work with in your unpublished course list below. So we are looking for semester 2 courses, so make sure you're looking at them. Make sure that you are only working with the courses that you want to. And then choose one course to start with. So the first thing that we're going to do is pick a course, scroll down to Settings, click Settings, and then I want you to change the name of your course. So find a name, think of a name that makes sense to you and will make sense to your students. So I'm going to call this MVA. You can also change the course code. I highly recommend it. Changing the course code also changes the name in the upper left-hand corner for your students, so it makes it easier for them to identify what course they're in. Your course code can be numbers, letters, or a combination. When you're done, click Update Course Details. And you're done with this course. Go back to your dashboard. Most of us teach more than one section of the same course. So the next thing we're going to do is cross-list our course. I notice this is the course I just renamed. It's called MVA in the course code now. So now I want my second course, and this one I'm going to cross-list. So it's really important that I always go to my child course and I cross-list it into my parent course, which is why I renamed it. It makes it easy to find my parent course. Again, I click on Settings. This time I'm going to click on Sections at the top. I'm going to click on the blue hyperlink that says the course name, the course section name. If I've done that, then on the right I will see that I have the option to cross-list this section. I'm going to click that button and then put my cursor in Search for Course. I renamed that course MVA, and I did that on purpose. Now, notice there are lots of MVA courses, but only one that's named exactly what I named mine. I'm going to do that. Click that, and then click Cross-list this section. To know whether or not I did it correctly, I can look at Settings and Sections, and I should see my 2 sections there now. That's perfect. The next thing I have to do, after I have all of my sections, all of my courses cross-listed together, is import content from my first semester that I want. So you have some options here. In Settings, you're going to click Import Course Content. After you have clicked Import Course Content, you're going to select Copy a Canvas course. Then you're going to search for the name of a current course that you're using. I don't want to include any completed courses because it's going to give me way more than I need. And so from here, I'm going to look for a course from the first semester that I would like to use. So I'm actually going to copy my test course. and decide what it is that I want from my test course. If I want everything because I'm going to teach everything again, then I will want all content. If I am continuing this into the second semester and I don't want all of those assignments to come back over, then I might select specific content. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you select specific content. The next thing I recommend everybody should do is adjust events and due dates and remove the dates. If you do not remove the dates, those due dates are going to stay, and it's going to give your students due dates for things from last semester, clog up their missing assignment notifications, and make everybody miserable. So please, please, please click remove dates. And then I'm going to click import. From here, because I said I wanted specific content, it's allowing me to select the content I want. When I get to select the content, I want my course settings. When I bring over my course settings, it's going to include my navigation settings and things that I've already set up that I really want for my course, like my announcements on the homepage, things like that. I want to keep my syllabus. I want to keep my external tools. This is especially important if you put your redirect to Zoom or anything like that in that course. You want to keep your external tools. And then from there, you can decide what are the things that are important. If I'm bringing over my homepage, I need to bring over any files and pages that are associated with my homepage. So knowing what those are is important. If you forget to bring one over, it's okay. You can copy one over later. That's not a problem. But so I'm going to pick some things that I would like to have brought over, but I don't need everything that I had before. I am going to want all of my files because some of those things are going to continue to use. I don't want my announcements or calendar events to come over. I don't need any of the existing rubrics to come over or learning outcomes. I'm going to go back up and look what other content I have in this course that I'd like. I'm going to look at modules. If there's a module we've started and haven't finished yet that I might want to bring in, I'm going to select that as well. And if there are any assignments like that, I'm going to select that as well. So now that I have everything selected, I'm going to click Select Content. It's going to queue, and then within a few minutes, all of the things that I asked for will populate in this course. Then I'm done. I can get my course ready for second semester with all of the new content for second semester, and all I need to do from this point is publish my course. That's it. You will get some errors. The errors we'll talk about, especially if you've copied over assignments but removed due dates, and those errors will talk about how they can't sync anymore because you've removed the due dates. That's perfectly normal and it's okay. You don't need to worry about that. I hope this video has helped you. If you need any additional assistance, please contact me, Lisa J at USD383.org.